chill wind whispers. Leaves start to fall. The sun hangs lower. Shadows grow tall. Nature's preparing for a long winter sleep. As the world slows down and the cold starts to creep. Winter is coming. The frost will soon bite. Snowflakes will dance in the pale moonlight. The world will be hushed under a blanket of white, as winter takes hold with all of its might. Ooh. Animals gather, their stores they prepare, seeking shelter from the crisp winter air. The fireplace crackles, a warm cozy scene, as we huddle together and share our dreams. Winter is coming, the frost will soon bite. Snowflakes will dance in the pale moonlight.